Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Shivanti. So before getting on with this video, I would like to give you guys a warning. So I live beside a busy main road. Okay, so that's a reason why you tend to hear a lot of noises like this, people closing the shutters of their shops and horn blowing at the background, bus horn, ambulance sounds and stuff like that. And I as a human being tend to react to all these sounds as a reflex action. This is me, this is how I would react. In case if you're not okay with any of this, you're kind of feeling irritated looking at my face reaction, my face reaction is making you cringe and all of that, you are not a kid, dude. You very well know what to do. You can just stop watching the video, or you can just unsubscribe my channel. In case if you've subscribed to my channel, it is as simple as that. Instead of passing a mean comment and calling it a criticism and again criticizing me for not accepting your mean comment.
Your reactions are more irritating than that horn. If you can't accept criticism, how could you enjoy the appreciation?
Seriously, you call this a criticism? I feel bad for you. Anyway, I have to thank her sincerely for giving me your content to talk about. As usual, our 30 seconds irrelevant intro got over without you people even realizing it. So yeah, thank you so much, Sneha. Thank you so much. Now let's get on with the video. So I'm gonna do a light makeup so that it would be appropriate to be worn to college or office, and all the products that I'm gonna be using in today's video will be under 500 rupees. I have already applied my moisturizer. You can use whatever moisturizer you want. Now I'm gonna use a sunscreen, and for sunscreen I'm gonna use this product. This is Requil's Oxybenzone and OMC free sunscreen. This is for 460 rupees again, which is under 500, and also it's really good. I don't think so it gives a white cast, maybe a light white cast in the beginning, but then if you rub it in, it'll just fade off. A light tint, but not really. I'm gonna keep smiling. I'm not gonna react to anything. Zen mode from today onwards. In case if you have dark circles, very bad dark circles, I personally had very bad dark circles when I was in college because of all those late night, definitely not studies, because I had 6 arrears. I'm not even kidding, I had 6 arrears, so I was definitely not studying till 12 o'clock. I was doing something, but I seriously don't remember what I was doing. But I sincerely wish that I could have studied and cleared those arrears, because people used to treat me like shit, cats and all used to come and give advice. Very bad face it was. So please don't keep arrears. Even if you keep arrears, please don't tell that outside, but clear it. Okay, that is very important. So the point is, in case if you have dark circles, please use a corrector, else you can definitely skip this step. I'm going to use a little bit of corrector. Clear your arrears, people. It is very important. Don't apply a lot of corrector. Corrector is not to conceal. It is basically like when you apply a concealer, it shouldn't turn out to become gray. That is the main reason for why you're applying a corrector. So don't overdo this step. And the corrector that I'm using is actually from PAC. It is the Take Cover corrector. This is in the shade Rusty Orange. I think this is for 460 or 495. I'm not really sure about the price. 495 rupees only. And for concealer, I'm going to use this. This is again from PAC, and this is in the shade Desert Suede. This is one of my most favorite concealers. This is also for 495 rupees, just like the corrector that I used before. And you could actually get this for much cheaper price in case if you're purchasing this on a sale or something. And I personally wanted to include a lot of products. I mean, all the products that are under 500 rupees in this particular video, because when I was in college, I just got 1200 rupees every month as my pocket money. So I had to do a lot of extracurricular activities to get that extra money from my father. Like for example, going to my dad and asking for 2000 rupees to get a book that would originally be for just 300 or 400 rupees, and go to my mom and do all those serial auntie performances by keeping my face innocent and pavam to get that extra 100 or 200 rupees. I'm not encouraging you guys to do that. It is really bad. Don't do it. But I personally did. How can I not react to that sound, dude? So yeah, I personally did a lot of stunts to get that extra money, and I know the pain. That's why I'm using everything that is under 500 rupees. I'm trying my best to not to react to all this, but it is not coming. We'll start applying concealer. Everything will be alright. I'm going to use my Miniso brush as usual. This is for very, less price. 6 brushes, I got it for 260 rupees, I guess. So very affordable. For compact powder, I'm going to use Nykaa's compact powder. This is in the shade Honey, and this is their all-day matte compact powder. So this is what I'm going to use, and it's always good to carry your compact powder wherever you go, especially if you have your face has this tendency to produce oil, and people are going to walk up to you and ask, have you taken bath today or not? They'll have 1001 problem in their lives. They'll leave all that. They'll come and ask this. So in case if you deal with such problems, it's good to carry a compact powder. Try using a closely packed brush. It actually gives a lot of coverage. The brush that I'm using is from PAC. It is the 219 brush. You can use whatever brush that you want. You can even use that concealer brush that I used before. It also works really nice. See? So much better now. So this is how my face looks after powdering. For eyebrows, I'm going to use this e.l.f. eyebrow pencil, Instant Lift brow pencil. Yes, this is just for 250 rupees. Something that I've been reaching out to a lot lately. For kajal, I'm going to use this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. You can actually draw a line and call it a day, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do something different because I've already done that liner look in one of my previous videos, so you can check that out. You can check that out, whichever side it appears, in case if you want that kind of look. So today I wanted to do something different from that normal liner look, so that's why I'm doing this. In case if you find this a little too much, you can definitely go ahead and check that video. I'm first going to draw a line like this. Okay, if I leave it like this itself, it will start smudging after a while. So what I'll do, I'll take a brush. This is also from that same Miniso brush set. For 260 rupees or something, I got 6 brushes, I told you, so this is one from that set. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start smudging it by myself. Like this. Okay. When I was in college, Nykaa just got launched. Like when I was in 4th year, it got launched, I guess, and I'm really grateful for that, Now, once my eyeliner is like this, I'm going to take my Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. This is also under 500 rupees only, and I'm going to take another brush from the same palette, from the same, brush set. Take a brown shade and apply it on top of the kajal, so that it will give a naturally smoked eyeliner look. This actually won't let your kajal to move anywhere, and also I'm going to take the same kajal and line my lower waterlines. Okay, and I'm really sorry for the background music concert. It is actually Ayyappa month in our place. I'm going to use a mascara, and I'm really sorry I couldn't find my Maybelline mascara. I was able to find only this. This is from Fay Beauty, and this is not under 500 rupees, but you can definitely check out the Maybelline mascaras. They are really good and they are very affordable too. I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm going to use this. I'm trying to find 1 or 2 lower lashes and trying to paint it. It's really hard. I'm barely able to find any. Then my most favorite lipstick, this is from Lakme's Forever Matte Liquid Lip range, and this is called New Dream. I just love this shade. Even in my previous video, you people would have seen me wearing this shade only. Such a beautiful shade. Yeah, that's it. Clean and fresh looking makeup. I really love how it actually turned out to be, and that's it. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the look that I created. In case if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, and also only if you like the way I presented this video, please hit the subscribe button. It would mean a lot, and comment whatever you want. So that's it. Tata.